Guys, this is Sin again, and this is my channel, iFixit. We have come back with new video. Today I'm going to guide you on how to use or write your PHP code in Visual Studio. Now, before you go on, you need to have your WAMP file already downloaded, and you need to also have your Visual Studio installed or like downloaded. Yeah, so if you don't have it too, don't worry, of course I've got you. There's a link below. You can click on it to download your Visual Studio, your XAMPP or your WAMP. Yeah, now let's get on it. Let's start installing our folders. Try to, if you have any antivirus, being Kaspersky, Avast or SmartApp, you need to disable this or either uninstall it, because it's going to block the WAMP server that you are going to install. Yeah, so basically you open to your Visual Studio Code, you click on the extension button there, and then you search for PHP or just type PHP and wait for it to load. Let it pop up. You know, we have a lot of extension of PHP here. Yeah, the correct one is PHP extension pack. So click on the install, wait for it to finish installing, and yeah, it's done. One folder. So I kept mine when I downloaded. I kept mine on my desktop, as you can see. Select language. I choose English. I accept the agreement. After that, I'm gonna click on next. From here, make sure you are up to date. Here, try to choose where you will keep your WAMP servers folder. So if your storage is being combined, you can still keep it at your local C. My storage into two, the local C and the D. So I'm gonna choose the D rather. Click on next. You just leave everything as it is, sorry. Click on next. Then let's wait for some minutes to be done. And just refresh. From here, you need to click no. You don't need any Internet Explorer. Click no again, and then wait. Yeah, these are the problems that we face if you don't disable any antivirus that is on your PC, any antivirus that you have, because they all use the same port. And from here, for the explanation, click next. It's not a problem. Click finish. We are done. Before we install our VC, let's go and check if some of them are already installed on our PC. Just go to your Windows button, search for control panel, and then yeah, you click on programs, go to programs and features, and now I'll open to my VS folder or VC folder, sorry. Now here, as it has appeared, repair and uninstall, you should rather click on uninstall. After that, you will reinstall this again, because it seems like it already exists. Finish. Now try to install. I will try to reinstall it back. Yeah, see, I have read and I have set install, and done. Now follow the next video and install all of the extensions. If you meet any the next of the extensions are going to be as the normal one. You accept the agreement, you click next, you finish. But when you meet uninstall and repair, just click on uninstall. After that, you will reinstall again. I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna speed up a little bit. is done. So that's the last one done. Now, as usual, we need to disable our antivirus. I'm using SmartApp, I've disabled it. Now let's launch our web server. The web server is yellow. When it turns to green, it means it's working now. It's on. So we can now, let's go and open to our web server folder. Open to www. Then we create our folder there. That's where we are going to save our work at VS Code. So save it. I'm saving it PHPX. You can name it how you want. So now let's see if our folder also exists in our local host. So you can see we have PHPX folder created. Let's navigate to our VS Code and create our first file. Write our first code. Then click File, click New File. Then type the name that you want, how you want to save it. I will write index.php. Mind you, any name that you write, you need to bring the extension, that's the PHP. We have to choose, locate to our folder, that's PHP fix. And let's write our first code. Open to your browser and search for your folder's name. I stored it PHPX, and now see, this is our code. This is the code that I wrote. My name is Essien. Okay, so guys, that's all for now. We have done our installation. Now we can see everything is working. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, like it, and comment if there's you face some challenges. And then see you next time. Have a good one.